everybody! Welcome back to our vlog! Sky!
Hello! Ayan, hindi ako nag-vlog today actually. Pero habang kumakain kami ng dinner, may nag-doorbell. Akala ko may dumating na delivery kasi may in-order ako for the kids na sa email, nasend na pala nung 28. Pero na ngayon, 9:10 na, hindi ko pa nare-receive. So, hindi ko alam kung may mali sa nila or something. Pero, i-email ko na lang sila bukas. But, yun nung nag-doorbell, tapos binuksan ko. Tapos nakita ko yung logo. Sabi ko, na-remind ako nung nagpadala si Charles ng ensaymada. Tapos, true enough, ang cake. May card pa nga eh. Kaso hindi ko matatago kasi may pangalan ni Wilma. Usually kasi tinatago ko yung ganito. Pero ayan, pwede rin share. Ayan. Ayan galing kay Charles. Papunta na sila Wilma dito kasi tinawagan ko siya kung gusto ba diyang dumaan sila dito para dessert na lang para sabay-sabay kung kumain na sila. Kaso hindi pa sila kumakain. So, dadaanan na lang nila tapos saka doon na lang nila kainin sa house nila. So, sabi ko, okay din kasi hindi ko rin papakainin ng cake tong mga bata sa ngayong oras na to kasi bedtime na ni Zion in like 5-10 minutes. So, yun, hindi rin pwedeng pakainin. So, okay rin na kukunin na lang nila. Pero ang plan ko, kung hindi nila makukuha ngayon, is dadalhin ko sa bahay nila after kong hatid si Zion sa school bukas. Pero dahil nasa grocery pala sila, so, yun, sakto na rin lang. So, yeah.
Okay.
Are you bookie?
No.
Where you learned that?
From Bookie.
From Bookie.
Thank you, towel. Thank you, auntie towel.
For the
Cake.
So, nauna na si Ezra kumakain nung cake na bigay ni Charles for Mother's Day. And this is the remaining of the cake. Ayan, Sans Ribal. I'm so excited. How is it, Baba? Good? What must you say?
Thank you.
Thank you to who? Auntie?
Auntie towel.
Auntie Charles! Good morning! Hindi na ako magpapakita or ipapakita yung mga kasama ko dito sa bahay kasi walang mga damit. But look what we have here. Kita na pala sa plastic. Look! Nakamit ko na din ang aking pangarap na baso. Natasa pala. Ang sabi ng mother-in-law ko, ang mahal daw. Sabi niya, 1990. Kasi humihingi kami sa kanila ng ng points minsan. Kaya alam niya. Namamahalan siya. She feel expensive because it's a mug. But I think if it's a pot or pan, it's okay.
Later I'll send her the photo of the pot.
Grabe, ang ganda ng bagong ngayon ng nila, yung pot and pan, yung Shugan. Oh, it's so cute! Goodness gracious! It's so cute! Ang arte-arte ko naman. Ito yung, yung mug ko na lagi kong iniinuman. Libre lang to. Kaso, gusto ko rin siya kasi para siyang yung sweater. Yan. Baka mabasag na to magtampo. So pretty. Sesaya ko dahil lang sa mug. Good morning! Happy Friday! Time check, 8:13 and maglalakwatsa na siya. Wait lang. Excited, anak? Ay, baby! My mask!
Slide down his straps.
I took back my, my throne. Kasi nasa school si Zion. If Zion is with us, he always want to sit in front. And then now we're on the way to take some things. At tapos saka kami mag-almusal. Actually, gutom na ako pero ayoko kumain.
You got some snacks.
Then I will not be hungry.
There's a way to wake up and eat protein.
Why did you slide down your seat belt? Somebody's singing airplane because we can see airplane from here.
Airplane
Pass by, yeah. Fly by pala. Airplanes.
So many airplanes.
Yes.
They only time for the vehicles. Time for the vehicles are very big.
Yes. How you sing again?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying way high. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way high.
Good job. Okay, after 10 years, makakarating na kami dun sa pagdadalahan ni Dwayne sa amin na mag-almusal. I'm so hungry na.
Hopefully the food is okay.
I'm so
There's
hungry. This is a very interesting place kasi ano siya, old school siya, ganyan siya oh. Parang sa Pinas. There. Not just Pinas like those So Malaysia I know still have like this a lot.
Wow.
Look at those cute cars. And like this. Yes. Okay. We're like back to our hometown. So nice. Okay, andito na kami. Bawal yatang mag-video sa loob. So, dito kami sa labas. May mga kumakain kasi kaya hindi ko maikot. It's green. What's that?
This one. Roti hot dog.
Oh.
Bread then inside hot dog.
Wow!
hot dog, mommy.
Yeah! Umalis na yung katabi ko. So, ganito siya. Oh.
Dying.
Ayan. Tapos may swing pa dyan sa likod. Ayan. Altar yata yung nasa likod. Napansin ko lang dito marami sila yung mga offering. Siguro dahil mga medyo ulo-ulo tapos maraming mga, walang masyadong tao na dito. Yeah. Let's eat. Yay! Ayan. We're in the car na. Ayan. Yan lang yung it's actually a quite experience for Ezra. Na syempre wala namang ganito na masyado dito sa Singapore. So, it's a nice experience. Mas gusto ko dong kumain sa may labas. Meron din kasi sa loob. Pero, mas gusto ko sa labas para ma-feel ni Ezra yung talagang feel ng area. Kaso nga lang, the bad thing about eating outside is may mga naninigarilyo. So, yung pag naamoy ko kasi yung sigarilyo, sumasakit yung ulo ko. So, ngayon, medyo masakit yung ulo ko. Dahil dun sa smell of smoke. Pero other than that, it's quite nice. Hindi siya masyadong mainit because there's a lot of trees and ang tawag dun, mabait si Ezra. Even though hindi siya masyadong comfortable na medyo na siya sa mga dumi, pero he is willing to try. So naghahawak siya, nagsiswing ganyan. So quite good thing for him. I can't say the same thing for Coco. Si Coco medyo may kaartehan ng konti yun. Hindi siya medyo sanay sa mga ganito. So, one day we will bring Zion here para naman may experience din niya. Para hindi sila masyadong picky kasi or maarte kasi they're boys. They cannot be maarte. So, yeah, let's go. It's already 10. So, just nice. May time pa tayo because Dwayne is gonna work tonight. I don't know where we're going, but Dwayne is roaming around the whole Singapore now. He said he's gonna go somewhere again. Are you happy back there, or are you sleepy na? Are you sleepy na? No.
I'm back.
You're happy? Yes. Where are we going? Pongo. Yeah. Where are we going, Daddy? Oh my goodness. What are they doing there? Why they're parking there?
What is that big one?
I think it's a leaf blower something.
Baby lift car.
A leaf a car.
I lift
Topayo. We're at Topayo. Just now we're at Yishun, and then we went to Seletar, and then now we're at Topayo. That's tour Singapore. Then later you'll go to Jurong. What you say?
doing homework.
You're doing homework like Coco?
Yeah.
Mm.
This is my computer.
This is your computer.
My zipper on the computer.
It's off.
Off.
Yes.
Is it Google?
That's not Google. That's a speaker, I think.
Zipper speaker.
Hi! Ayan, bahay na kami. And kaya din kami lumabas ng maaga kasi may nagbigay ng laruan kila Zion and Ezra. Are you excited? You don't want to wait for Coco na, ha?
So,
Let's wait for Coco to open.
this.
Okay, don't open first.
Okay.
Okay, don't open, okay?
Okay.
Naintindihan ba niya? Parang hindi niya naintindihan yung ino-okayhan niya. Dami na naman yung new toys. Woo! There's a sound.
There's a button key on my phone.
Ayan, so that's one of the reason kung bakit kami pumunta doon sa my Philips.
I changed the other two on the so that the whole back
Kasi
row is all the same, light.
Nagbiblink-blink na. So this one is newly changed,
Center
right?
one.
Yes. And then kapalitan niya yung dalawa. So these are the light bulbs na binili namin kanina sa Philips.
The new one is smaller.
Nasa playroom si Ezra. Doon ko nilagay yung mga bagong toys para hindi siya nagkakalat dito. Pero for sure, pagdating ni Zion, dadalhin niya dito lahat yun sa labas. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show you yung progress ng aking cross stitch.
Very nice.
Is it nice? Nice daw sabi ni Baba. So it's like that. Marami pa. Slowly. And so now he's changing the other side. Look at Daddy. What Daddy doing?
The side.
What is that? That's the... Wow, sinisipag yung handyman. Pati sa kusina, pinalitan niya.
I'm at its color. Help.
Merienda tayo. Mahilig din magsawsaw ng apple sa peanut butter. Favorite namin yung ganito. Hain.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!
Bye.